Solving systems of equations, we have three variables x, y, and z. And out of these three equations, only the second equation it has minus z. So I use the second equations with the first equation and then with the third equation to simplify it. When I used the second equation with the first equation, I was able to cross off z plus z and minus z. And I got the equation 3x plus 6y is equal to 27. I simplified it further and it gave me x plus 2y is equal to 9. I did the same drill with the third equation and the second equation. Plus z and minus z, they are crossed off and we got a new equation as 5x plus 7y is equal to 42. Then I multiplied this particular equation x plus 2y is equal to 9 with negative 5. Why I did that? Because in this equation you have 5x plus 7y is equal to 42 and I need to solve it. And first I thought I need to solve it for y. To solve for y, I need to cross off 5x. And to cross off 5x, I need to have minus 5x. So I multiplied with negative 5 the whole entire equation. I got negative 5x minus 10y is equal to minus 45. When I simplified it further, I got y is equal to 1. Okay. So we got y is equal to 1. Let's plug y is equal to 1 either in our new equation 1 or equation 2. I would like to plug y is equal to 1 in equation 1. So x plus 2y is equal to 9. Plug y is equal to 1 because we got the answer y is equal to 1. X plus 2 times 1 is equal to 9. X plus 2 is equal to 9. And if I subtract 2 both the sides, it will make a zero pair and which will give us the answer as x is equal to 7. So we got x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 1. Let's try to plug the value of x and y in either of the three given equations that we started with. We started with these equations: 9x plus 12y plus z is equal to 83, minus 6x minus 6y minus z is equal to negative 56, and 11x plus 13y plus z is equal to 98. You have a choice. You can plug in either of the equations and you can get the value of z. I would like to plug in equation 2. In the first equation, the first set of equations and equation 2. Minus 6x minus 6y minus z is equal to negative 56. Now plug x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 1. Minus 6, instead of x I can plug 7. Minus 6, instead of y I can plug 1. Minus z is equal to negative 56. Let's simplify it. Negative 6 times 7 will give you negative 42. This will be negative 6 minus z is equal to negative 56. I can combine these two. Negative 42 and negative 6 will give you negative 48. Minus z is equal to negative 56. Now plus 48 both the sides because I need to isolate z to get the value of z. If I isolate z by adding 48 both the sides, this will make a zero pair. Minus z is equal to, I will be left with minus 8. Then I can multiply both the sides with negative 1. Z is equal to 8. So our final values are x is equal to 7, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 8. There you go.